What's up? Morning, guys.
What's up, Burnsy? Burnsy's in the house.
Work on the 56 T-Bird again, pulling the old, newish.
The old rebuilt pump that wouldn't pump because the new diaphragms are shit.
Yep, we're gonna put this new pump in and hopefully get this thing purring like a kitten again.
Purring like a kitten?
Yep.
Meow.
Exactly.
Kitty, kitty, want a piece of meat?
Oh, God.
Remember that?
Haven't heard that one in a while.
That was like 20-something years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we bought a pump, FE pumps and Y-block pumps, interchange. So we bought a standard FE pump for like a Country Squire with a 390. No, it doesn't have the fuel thing. Scotty, I'm trying to shoot video. Quit making all that damn noise.
Morning.
Anyway, so standard FE pump doesn't have the filtered dong on the bottom or none of that. Just gonna do that to get it running and make sure everything else is good to go. And then we will get a better rebuild kit for this guy. But maybe we can have John drive it with the other pump for a while, because we just got to finish the exhaust. That one little exhaust leak, and then he can take it home for a little bit. Then he can bring by, swap the pump, but I mean, we can do that in what, 20 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at you. I mean, you already got this apart, and you've been here 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Mister, I'm coming at 6. Just kidding,
Yeah.
9. Ass.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Morning.
Yeah. So, we're on it.
I'm getting there.
Yeah.